Never one
without the other.
Cons int kpin led 10. This line declares an constant integer variable named kpin led and initialize it with the value 10. This typically represent the pin number to which an LED is connected. Void setup. This line marks the beginning of the setup function. The code inside the setup function runs once when the Arduino is powered on or reset. Pin mode, kpin led output. This line configures the pin specified by kpin led as an output. It means that the Arduino will send electrical signal through this pin, making it suitable for controlling an LED. Bracket. The closing bracket marks to the end of the setup function. int delay time equals 1000. This line declares an integer variable named delay time and initialize it with the value 1000. This variable is used to control the delay during in the loop function. Void function, void loop. This line marks the beginning of the loop function, the code inside the loop. Functions runs repeatedly after the setup. Functions completes its execution. Delay time equals delay time 100. This line decrements the value of delay time by 100. It reduces the delay duration for the subsequent delay function in the loop. If delay time less equals 0, this line checks if delay time is 0 or negative. Delay time equals 1000. If the delay time is 0 or negative, this line resets delay time back to 1000. Close bracket. The closing bracket marks the end of the conditional statement. Digital write kpin led high. This line sets the voltage on the pin specified by kpin led to high, turning the connected LED on. Delay time. This line introduces a delay of the duration specified by the delay time variable. The value of delay time was either decremented or reset in the previous lines. digital write k-pin LED low. This line set the voltage of the pin specified by k-pin LED to low, turning the connected LED off. Delay time. Another delay of the duration specified by the delay time variable is introduced. Close bracket. The close bracket marks the end of the loop function.